Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is Coins Kid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin. I hope you had a really good weekend, okay, and I hope you have a good week moving forward. So, looking at the markets here, there is we dropped today 1%. It's not much, but we are over $1 trillion again, market capitalization for crypto here. We're sort of just edging across that level there, that big, massive psychological level of $1 trillion right there, And the market is a bit flat the past few days. It is a bit flat. We sort of ran into resistance, a bit of a fake out, and we're coming back down. We're retracing, and we're looking for the continuation of this trend that we're in, which is basically an uptrend at the moment because we're breaking above the EMAs on key time frames. So what we do need to see, obviously, is this follow through and this continuation in the anticipation of this big wave 3 taking us above that monthly 55 EMA this week. And if Bitcoin doesn't get there, then I'm going to change my projection here that we sort of bottomed out and basically Bitcoin's looking for a low price. And I will go through this with you as to where I think you're looking to come down for Bitcoin, and there's a bit of confluence to that as well. That if it does start to not close this month out above the 55 EMA and take out that key resistance, it could in actual fact be turning the monthly 55 into key resistance instead of support. And with that, you've got to pay attention to that data telling us that if you consistently do that, it's forcing you down, and that's the way it is. Okay, you can't keep closing below the 55 EMA and the 20 especially on your time frames, the most important time frames, because that just contributes to the pressure pushing you down. Do you understand? It's like a big weight on your head pushing you down, you're keeping you under the water. You've got to get back above that, and the first thing you need to do is get back up and breathe, basically. At the minute, Bitcoin is kind of being suppressed. It's being forced into a decision, and one in which I think will sort of come to fruition this week, whether or not we break out to the upside or we roll again. And if we do roll, I'm going to give you an amazing target for Bitcoin. If we do roll, and there's a bit of confluence to that target, that is an absolute on the money dollar cent target that I'll give you. Okay, but please be aware that it's nothing I say is financial advice. This is for all for education and entertainment purposes only. But right now, if we take a look in the last hour, we've got certain alts that are pumping. Look at that in the last week. That stacks just there, currently 89. You've got Engine Coin, which is doing really well. We spoke about that in a recent Ask Me Anything on Twitter. That was really cool. That Places thing. I'm going to get organised and do that with the Coins Kid crew and community. The Places thing on Twitter was really cool. We spoke about Engine Coin last week and that, and it's doing okay from there at the moment. But anyway, this is a Bitcoin video, obviously, and what we do need to see is Bitcoin just pump again at the moment.